Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make mojito with Eno only way. Muddle fresh mint with sugar and lime, dissolve Eno in water, add rum and club soda, then stir and serve over ice. Garnish with a mint sprig and a lime wheel, and taste to adjust sweetness and fizz. This method keeps the drink bright, fizzy, and easy for any home bartender. Measure ingredients precisely. 6 to 8 mint leaves, 2 teaspoons sugar, half a lime juiced, 1 packet Eno dissolved in 30 ml water, 60 ml rum, and 120 ml club soda. Keep ice ready and a muddler on hand. Use fresh ingredients and cold liquids to preserve aroma and fizz. Adjust sugar or rum to taste and serve immediately for best texture and sparkle. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like for more cocktail tips and easy hacks. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, great for storing extra lime wedges, mint sprigs, and mixers between sessions. They keep freshness and prevent spills when you carry cocktails or ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals and support the channel. Thanks, now let's get back to the video. Start by rinsing mint and gently bruising leaves to release oils without shredding them, then add sugar and lime to extract juice. Dissolve Eno fully in water before mixing to ensure even fizz, and pour over crushed ice to lift flavors. Stir gently to combine, top with club soda, and taste. For a lighter drink, reduce rum by 10% or add more soda to stretch servings without losing character.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.